Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with Edmonds Campsite. So today I have an unboxing for a Roman beer helmet. Last time I did a Viking beer helmet. Now today I want to go ahead and do the Roman beer helmet. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's your components. You got the top of your helmet. You got 3 straws, 2 the same size and 1 that's long, which is going to be the one that you're going to be drinking from. You got your main component here, the helmet. Helmet's pretty cool. Again, made of plastic. You could size that to your head. And then you got these little horns or whatever that's gonna, just give it a little bit of flair to the helmet, right? You could adjust it here and there. You got some components here that are the T-connector for the straws, 3 right there, 3 sides, and you got a component here to pinch the straw so no liquid comes out. Last time I didn't utilize this with the Viking helmet, so this time I am going to utilize it. And then you have these 2 things here that are going to go onto the helmet where the beer is going to go. So then you got your instructions right here, how to put the helmet together. Fairly simple, hopefully. Let's go ahead and put it together. So the first thing, you get this is the first step. There's 2 holes already there pre-made, and on this piece there's these little notches already, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna put it right in there, and then you're gonna push down, and voila, there it is. Pretty simple. And there's a little notch right here on this side, and on top of the helmet there's a little slot right there that you can put that, that part of this part, you're gonna hook that into that open slot right there. So you want to make sure this feather type looking thing of the helmet goes forward. Go ahead and get this part first in. Boom, there you go, it slid right in. Push this right in. Boom, perfect. Man, it's really nice and steady. Alright, same thing here. I will say this, this part is really loose. It's like, it goes right in, but if you move forward, it's gonna come out right out. See, it's so flimsy, and if I go this way, let me see. Oh, it's gonna fall. So I don't know, you want to put some glue on this thing, because really you're not gonna, once you put it on, are you really gonna want to take it out? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, I don't know. However, it's part of the helmet, so a little bit of super glue or something and it'll definitely stay put. All right, grab the long tube. So there's a band in here. Make sure you put it between the helmet and that band. All right, there you go. Then you can get this T-splitter right here. You can go ahead and put it right in there. And then you're gonna go ahead and make sure that it's just like that. You can grab the other small tubes and go ahead and put them on the back side of the helmet. Alright, there you go. So now they did give you 2 zip ties here, right here, these zip ties. In the back there's like these 4 little holes right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where the zip tie is going to be. So it's going to go ahead and hold these 2 tubes in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, there you go. So 2 zip ties holding that T-splitter in place. There you go. And then last but not least, the stopper valve. We can go ahead and slide that in right here. There you go, fairly simple. So you're gonna go ahead, the stopper valve, all you're gonna do is squeeze it, lock, unlock. Simple, just like that. And now it's time to put some liquid on here and try it out. All right, for this demonstration, we're gonna go ahead and use apple juice. There you go, just like that. All right, go ahead and put these 2 straws in. So the size of the apple juice, obviously, because it's too long, and then the beer itself, you know, you can see the height of it, right? But because the height, the straw, you know, is too short for the apple juice, it just reaches 1/3 of the apple juice container. But for the beer container, it will actually reach almost close to the bottom of the beer can. But we're still gonna go ahead and go with apple juice. So let's go ahead and try it out. Ah, there it is. All right, valves are in. There you go. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Lock it. Perfect. No spills. Woohoo! Yeah, look at that. Nice. Got the flares going on. There you go. Gonna raise this up a little bit. I will say this, man, it feels really comfy compared to the, you know, compared to the Viking helmet. This one feels a little bit much better. There you go, stopping. No error, no fails or anything. You know, oh shit. Oops. Okay, so you gotta be careful. You do have liquid on top, so I know they make those beer can covers and stuff like that where you can put a straw. I don't know, you put that on your beer cans and you know it keeps it from spilling. Again, it's plastic, just like, you know, the Viking helmet, but you know the character. I like the character of the helmet itself. You know, it's very light, and I guess I would say it's a really nice helmet for Halloween. It does have a secondary use, right? You could take these things off. You could use it as a regular, you know, helmet. Again, made of plastic without the beer holders. You know, not bad. Yeah. So the beer helmet I actually got from eBay. Couldn't find it on Amazon, so I went into eBay and found it for $24.99. And you know, it's not bad. Again, is it worth it? You know, I don't know. It's one of those things. You know, the Viking helmet, I really didn't feel that it was worth it, but for some reason, because the characteristics and the, you know, I guess you could use it for Halloween as well. I think that's what makes it a lot better than the Viking helmet. It has that reusability to be used for other things, not just drinking. For $24.99, yeah, I mean, I think it's worth the $24.99, but you know, past 30 bucks, I think that's the limit that I would go with this helmet. But you know, I do like it. Again, the usability, I kind of propels it to be worth what it costs. But anything more, I don't think it's worth it. But again, that's my opinion. You have your own opinion. Please let me know what you think on the comment below. So one last thing, I just wanted to remind everybody that if you order from Warrior Axe Coffee, you get a 10% discount when you enter Danny10. Some proceeds will go to the St. Baldrick's Foundations, which helps kids conquer cancer, and the Big Red Barn Retreat that helps veterans and first responders struggle well with PTSD and other issues that may arise. So again, on your online purchase, when you type in Danny10, you get a 10% discount on your Warrior Axe Coffee purchase online. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing and review of this Roman helmet. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and I'll catch you on the flip side.